to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to tell you how to use a sheet mask properly. First things first, make sure that your hands and your face are absolutely clean before using the sheet mask. And if you tone your skin before using the sheet mask, it's going to let the essence from the sheet mask absorb much better. It also helps you to thoroughly get rid of any leftover makeup or dirt on your face. Make sure that you're opening the packet not from the bottom but from the top, as that can lead to the essence from the mask fall out. And then unfold the mask and apply it on your face with the blue protective film facing outwards. Remove the protective film and adjust the mask contours on your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Do not sleep or lie down. And now, take it off from the bottom to the top. Do not wash off your face immediately after using the sheet mask. Before throwing away the packet, make sure that you use the leftover essence in the packet also to massage into your skin for that extra boost of hydration. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel because it is free. Thanks for watching. Om Saram.